What's up, y'all? What's up? This is TT Dope from the SWP. Yup, that is me. On my way out. We'll see this little play. Right now I'm on the subway.
Alright, go.
On the subway. Smell this like weed in a gangsta day. All that. I ain't negative. Neggy. Oh, okay. Alright, so anyway. I'm on my way down to Lombard now. You know, I don't really do the subways. I wouldn't go. I guess I did just dig in my eye. That's why I'm in the prayers. In my eyeball. It's like, so, see this plane. My granddaughter thing. Why do I say this in my eye? I don't like that look. Oh, you too cute. Stop. I'm just fucking talking. Anyway, I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all. To all, have a good night. Now, if you don't want to have a good night, then that's on you. See, the difference between me and you is sometimes I'm like, gotta let shit go. You can't just keep holding on. And the more you hold on, the less you get stronger. Only the strong survive. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. To my queens and my kings. From the essence of your being.